All right, so now it's time to actually create the admins. So if we go to admins right here, and if we click on this, we're gonna go to an HTML page. So we better fix this right here. So we wanna go to, let's go down. If we go to all admins right here, we're gonna find this link. So we better go ahead right here and go route, and let's set up some kind of route right here. So this will be create dash admins, all right, or create dot admins. That will be that would look a lot more friendly. So just copy this, and if we go to the routes, we go to web right here. If we paste this in, let's just copy this, git link, and let's cut this and set up the name, because the name is as the same as the route. All right, so this will be create dash admins, like that. All right, and this will go to the admins controller, and it will hit create admins function. All right, so let's copy this and save this whole page. And if we go right here, let's also save this right over here. And let's actually create well, before we even create the view, let's close this off, and let's go down over here. And you can just paste. All right, now this, we only need like the function. So let's paste this in, and let's try to display the page or the admin or the template that will allow us to view the form. So let's just paste this in, create admins, like that, and let's remove this, and we will just go to admins dot all admins right here. Well, not all admins. We want to go create dash admins, for example, or we're not going to send any kind of data. Let's just save this like that, and let's go ahead and copy this. All right, so let's paste this in, and let's go blade.php. All right, so as you can see right over here, let's go to create dash admins right here, and if we go down at the bottom, and let's pick up this row, and let's paste right over here. All right, so I want to go right now, and I want to actually grab the link. I want to grab the extend part. All right, so let's go down. Let's go up and paste this in, and let's end this section. And let's go right here and section like that. All right, let's save this whole thing, and let's go back, refresh first. All right, so it's telling us that this is not found. Sounds like that we're gonna suffer from this problem throughout this whole course. The problem was the cache. So yeah, create dash admins. All right, so let's go ahead and pick up and clear the cache right away. All right, so there we go. Let's now refresh this. It actually works. So yeah, if we click create admins, so we should go to create dash admins. So here is the form. Let's now go ahead and try to create a route for a post request. So if we just go post right here, we should keep those the same, that's fine. And this right here will be store admins, like this, and we're gonna keep the route store dot admins. So let's save this. Let's go ahead and pick up before we even do that, let's pick up the function. can close this off and this also. Let's go to the controller right here. Let's paste this in. Let's pick up, well, actually, before we even pick up this, we can go, you know, for creating the admins, we need to hash the password, of course. So we want to go to the admins and when I go to auth, for example, and if we go register controller right here, we're gonna find this function which will allow us to simply just go ahead and create the user. This is like the function that was created with Laravel once we generated our authentication system. So let's copy it. Let's go right over here and let's even paste this down there. Let's copy this function, let's paste. So this functional name will be named as store admins, and let's cut this and paste it down here. So we want to remove this return and we're going to insert inside the admin model. All right, so we will insert the name and we will pick up this from the request. So this will be request like that, request. All right, we want to pick up this and we want to go right over here, paste this in. So we want to grab this from the name input. We want to also copy this one more time and go right here and paste. All right, and this we will pick up from the input with the name, email, and the password right here. I should actually grab this and paste down there. So the hash function right here will allow us to simply hash the password that we have. All right, so we should try to go back once again to the register and we should pick up this line which includes the facade for the hash. So copy it and go up there and paste it just like that. All right. So yeah. So right after we insert, I want to actually give this some kind of variable. So create admins like that. So right after we insert, I want to go back to admins dot let's see, we need to go back to the logic of, let's see, if we go to the users folder and if we go to the users controller right here, after we insert, we can pick up this right here. All right, so this will do the trick. So let's paste this in. So we're gonna say after we insert, we're gonna go to slash let's see, let's go back right here. We're gonna go to this right here, to all admins, like route or link, so let's just go ahead right here and paste this in. All right, so this is actually should be admin / all admins like that. And here we should go create right here. All right, so this will be admin created successfully. So after we created, we should display this message. So let's save this whole thing. Something else that we want to add is we want to add the message part right here, and in the blade template. So we want to go down and you want to go to users right here, and you want to go for example to, let's say, profile right here. All right, so we can pick up this all right, and we can still go down at the bottom and we can go to all admins. We're going to display this right here. All right, so we're going to display it like above the H5. So let's paste this in and this will be create like that. So it should actually display this message. So yeah, let's save now the whole thing. Let's go right here and refresh this. All right, so let's now try to create our first admin. So this will be admin dot second add. Oh, actually we did not set up the form, so this will not work. All right, so let's go to the form. So form is a post, and the action right here is route. All right, so there is the route. Copy this, and let's go right here and paste. All right, so right after this, the type is email, and then the email, fine. We actually forgot the CSRF. All right, so right after this, we need this to be name. This is simply just for the name, input for the name. So there we go. Right after this, we have the password. So type is password, and then the password rate. I guess that this is all actually. A button right here, type is submit, and then submit. So awesome. Let's now refresh this. All right, so again, we're gonna go ahead and optimize this. Let's refresh. All right, so as you can see, let's go ahead and go admin. Second, add admin right here .com. Let's keep the name, very close right here, and I'm gonna paste this whole thing so that email is the same as the password. If we click create right here, all right, so admin created successfully, and here is simply the admin. There is simply the name, and the email is actually should be named username. So if we go to all admins, we can just give this, so it will be name like that. So just save. If we refresh, all right, so there we go. Let's now try to log in with the new admin. All right, so let's just go /admin. If we actually go to /admin, we go to the login once again. I was just testing our validation. So let's just go and paste the email and the password. If we look down here at the admin table, we can see that we will have this record. All right, so as you can see, the password is hashed, which is awesome. Let's click login. All right, so as you can see, there is actually the name that we have right here. We're actually displaying an email, not the name. Where you can go, we can go back, for example, for the template master, which is admin right here, and we can just display, let's see, yeah, we can go right here and display the name of the email. So just save, refresh, we will just find the name. So yeah, we finished the part for the admins right here. We created the admins and we showed them. So in the next video, we're going to move to the next part, which is the categories.